Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make your very own YouTube intro or outro using the free website Canva. Now to get started, all you have to do is click Create a Design, and you can search for templates right here, or you can also search for them in this main box. So say you want a YouTube intro, you just type that in, a suggestion will pop up for you, and it'll also have the pixel size. So 1920 by 1080 pixels, that's perfect for us to put into one of our own videos. If you like some of these templates, just click on it and you could go from there. Maybe if you want to make it a little more personalized, then click the blank slide right there. Even if you did click the blank slide, you'll see the templates still show up for you, and they're all videos because you said you want to do a YouTube intro. So let's say I'm making an animal video. If I like it, I can see if it's free. They'll say free right here in the bottom right hand corner. I click and I drag it over to my work area, and it'll be there for me to edit now. So if I double click here, I can rename it, let's say dog videos. And then maybe we want to keep subscribe to our channel, we keep that there. All of these things are stickers that we can move around wherever we want. If you want to put your own stickers in there, that would be under elements, and just scroll down and you can find stickers right there. So let's say this is good, I like it. The video we chose for the template is 4 seconds long. So if we play it, we can see the whole thing here. So we see the dog getting up and he's gonna drink some water. And then that's our intro, has the dog videos there. From there, all we have to do is say download video. And then we want download, MP4, that's what we want it as, and press download. But maybe you're a little bit more advanced and you don't want to use one of the templates that they give you. Well, that's okay, let's do our own. So I just add a new page here. I could get rid of this one whenever I want, just click delete. And from here, I think a good place to start is background. So if we go to the side menu here and click backgrounds, there's different backgrounds we can use. Maybe you're making a beach video. So you find one that looks like water. Here it is, so it says free. Click, drag it over, and that shows up for us right there. We do want this to be animated like a video. So the best way to do that, in my opinion, is to go to stickers. So I already showed you where that was, elements, you find stickers. And these things are all things that will move. So if you want love, you just drag that over and it'll be right in there for you. If you click see all, it'll give you a lot more options for stickers. I think a good way to do it is maybe you want a title. You could find letters that are stickers. So stickers, and if I want to do beach, let's say stickers B, and it'll show me things that are animated for the letter B. So like here, I could have this and drag it over, and that will be for our intro. And I'm gonna type out what I want it to say, and I'll be right back. So you'll see I found all the letters for beach. So maybe this channel is called Beach Love. Love beaches. Okay, so here you'll see that I put stickers letters, and that way I was just able to see more letters at a time to find the ones I want. So if we want to see what this looks like, press play up here, and you'll see it's shaking around and the love symbol is drawn out for us. If you want more movement than that with letters, a good way to do it is to press animate right here. And these are things that can come in. So block looks like that, gives you a little preview of everything. So maybe I want pan, and those letters will come in just like that. So if we try the video now, the letters came in slower and it looks just like that. Another thing you can do is combine multiple pages to make your intro or outro longer. And you'll see now our total is 10 seconds, since this one's 5 seconds and this one is 5 seconds. So let's do something a little different for the second page. Go over to your far left side and scroll down until you see videos. And there are also free videos that you can use. So here's some beach ones right here, if that's what our channel is all about. And a lot of them are free, just like before. So if I like this one, I'm going to click it and drag it over. But it's 28 seconds long. That is a little long for an intro. So what I'm going to do is cut that down. And you can choose where you want to cut it down from. Maybe you don't like the ending, so you cut it down from there. And we only want the first, say, 3 seconds of it. So now you'll see that our total length is 8 seconds because this is 3 seconds and this was 5 seconds long. 5 seconds is a little long for this one, just to have letters appear. So we can do the same thing, but here we'll click right there and you could type in however long you want. So 3 seconds again. Now our total video would be 6 seconds long. So here, let's put something in the actual video. So we can actually add music to these, and they do have free options for music. So click here for music, and you could find one again that says free on the side, like this one right here, Morning Snowflake. It's piano, and it's free. We just click and drag it over. Notice it says you can only use one track per design. So if I want this to go through my whole thing, I just put it there, and it automatically goes for everything. So our intro is 2 minutes long with the song, but you see it's only going to go how long we want the video. So if we press play, I hear the piano going and it's only for the first 6 seconds. So it doesn't matter how long the song is that you choose, it'll only play for however long you have the video going. And we can add stuff right over the video here. So let's go to elements. We like our stickers, so we'll stay with stickers, but let's say water. And let's see what shows up here. So we have this huge wave that's free, nice. So we're just gonna put that right there and it'll show up for us. And maybe we want, let's see, this rain cloud because it's a stormy day, it's making big waves. All right, so now that will show up in our video along with the music and everything else. So our finished project could just be this. We could press play. Now, something I don't like is all this white right here. If your video doesn't fit the size of the box, you just got to resize it. So make sure it goes in the corner and drag it all the way to the other corner. And now things should look just right. So that part looks good. And now the background is full just for us, just like that. All right. Now we're done. We'll press download video again. And we want file type MP4. Perfect. Download. And it's preparing our design. So that's it. I hope you guys learned something new. You could go the easy way and just use a template, or make it a little bit more difficult on yourself and go from a blank slide and make your own intro or outro. And you'll see it showed up right here for us. We have it right here. It's still called dog videos from when I was making that dog video earlier. And it's there for you to put in your YouTube videos whenever you want it. All right, later guys.